Okay, today's ring is being made for Brandon Page out of Muskogee, Oklahoma. Thank you very much for your service, Brandon. Brandon's a firefighter down in Oklahoma, and he's asked us to make a ring out of a challenge coin for firefighters. And Saint Florian is the patron saint for firefighters. So as you can see here, this challenge coin has a lot of really nice detail on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're going to make a beautiful ring for him, and we're going to do it together right now.
That's a telephone alarm reporting a house fire, 87 Bernard Street, between Thomas Street and Castor Park. For engine 16, engine 17, quit MIDI 7, Battalion 2, Rescue 11, truck 10 is the wreck car 99. That's a report of a house fire with several calls, report of the possibility of somebody still inside 87 Bernard Street, between Thomas and Castor Park. Now for the deputy and the detectives.
That old alarm was sounding, and he knew he had to go. But all he could think about were his little girls at home. He signed on to his job, yeah, to help the ones in need. But every time he ran into that fight, he knew he might not leave. He doesn't want any money for the things he trained to do. He wants to help the ones in need. He wants to see the whole job through. He's well aware of the cost that it takes to save a life, but that doesn't matter to the man he is inside. Yeah, we all need to sing that firefighter song. When that man pulled up on scene, all he heard were those kids screaming. He ran right through the front door to save a few young dreams. A few moments later, well, that house, it had collapsed. He'd never go back home again to hang out with his kids. He didn't want any money for the things he trained to do. He helped the ones in need, and he saw the whole job through. Well aware of the costs that it takes to save a life, well, that didn't matter when the family was inside. Yeah, we all need to sing that firefighter song. I hate to be the one to bring up all this sad and bad news, but that man will never have again the things that you and I do. He was taken from his kids and wife while helping a family. So please sit back and thank the Lord there's more men like him that breathe. They don't want any money for the things they train to do. They help the ones in need, and they see the whole job through. They're well aware of the costs that it takes to save a life. Oh, but that doesn't matter to the ones they are inside. Yeah, we all need to sing. Yeah, we all need to sing. Yeah, we all need to sing that firefighter song. And we all need to pray that firefighters gone. They don't want any money for the things they train to do. They help the ones in need, and they see the whole job through. They're well aware of the costs that it takes to save a life. Oh, but that doesn't matter to the ones they are inside. Yeah. Gone